Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down below. Of course, we are back with another Croc redesigning video because we have to redesign all of the Crocs that I have here. So I was on the fence about which one to choose. Whether I want to do the navy, the marble, the mint, or the pink. I'm kind of leaning towards the mint or the marble, but let's do the mint today, or the pistachio color, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, let's get it started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through this pile, this humongous pile, and see what would go with the Crocs. So be right back. Okay, so my idea is to pick the ones that I absolutely love for this particular Croc first, and then go off of that. So that's what I think I'm going to do. I really love this one. So let's go off of that. Where do I want to put it? Let's see. Maybe here to start off. That's pretty. Okay. Then I really love like these minty ones. I love this one. Let's see. These are all really small. So maybe let's do this one. I like it because it matches the building here on the side. Can go for that. Like this one. It's cute. Okay. Try. Oh no, don't like that. Don't like that there either. What if I move this? I think that's the nicest place for it. Let's see. That's cute. Start to go with this. Okay. Now that we have like this little Hawaii theme going, I'm figuring, do I want to actually put the word Hawaii here? Is the question. I feel like this kind of clashes with it. So I'm going to take this out for now. Kind of looks better, right? Okay, let's see. What if I move this one and put this there? Okay, I think that's kind of cute. And again, since we have like this whole Hawaii theme, maybe putting some coral. Do we want to put a fish here? Don't like that. What about here? Don't like that either. What about if I move this? Put that there. It's kind of pretty, right? I think I like that. I don't know how I feel though about this Hawaii sign. I don't think it really goes, but we'll see. I have more turtles, but do I want to just fill it up with turtles? Let me work on this side just to see. Put this here. It's pretty. And then maybe let's try this here. Okay, I like that. And I love these minty ones. Let's see. I can put them somewhere. It's kind of pretty. Okay. Let's see. That's pretty. I like that so far. Does that look cluttered? Yeah, it does. Okay. Maybe putting that there. That's pretty cute. Kind of like it. Kind of like where it's going. Okay. That works. Let me see. Is it more cluttered? Let's check it out. Huh. I kind of like it. The only thing that's throwing me off is that little space there. So I don't know if I have something that color that would fit that little space. Maybe this. That's kind of cute, right? Yeah, I kind of like that actually. Okay. Now we need to work on this side. So I like this because it goes with the orange. That's kind of cute. I like that. So far, I think we're getting somewhere, guys. Hopefully, if I can be able to finish this the way that I like it. Let's do hibiscus flower to keep it very tropical. What else? What else? What else? What about a little coconut drink? I don't know if I like that there. What about if I move this? Put this here. And then maybe put this here. Does that look cluttered? I don't think it does. I think it looks pretty good, actually. Okay. And then if I can find something. See, this might be too big, but I think, yeah, I don't like that at all. I mean, I can do this to be on the safe side, but I don't, let me see. Actually, that kind of looks cute, to be honest. That really kind of looks cute. And I feel like I need a little gem here, and I think I have a gem that would match that. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see if this works. Ooh. Actually, you can't tell me that's not a vibe. I'm kind of living for it. So we have here like the little tropical side, little Hawaii theme, which totally makes sense. And then this is more like city. I'm kind of living for it. Oh my God. I think this is the fastest I've ever done a redecoration. Okay, this is it, guys. So this is the final look. I'm kind of living for it. So we have like the little city side here. And then we have the Hawaii theme, tropical theme on this side, which totally looks like a vibe. Let's put it down here so you can see it. So that's what it looks like. I want to leave those two spaces because I feel like it'll be overwhelming with the palm tree. So I'm definitely leaving those two spaces out. But I think it looks pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this new redecoration of this mint croc. And I will see you guys in the next one where we do another pair. See you then.